It's great. It's great. Hey, so my name is Xinwei. I'm building TraceRoot, which is the world's first open source AI agents that automatically helps you to fix your production bugs. So let's see a live demo right now. Yeah, so from here you can see that all the logins and metrics are organized according to traces and spans. And instead of, you see there is an error here, right? Like this is like a TypeScript service connected to all the—
Can you zoom in a little bit? Zoom in.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you can see this is like we connect from a TypeScript service all the way to a Python fast API backend. And there's an error in between. So, but instead of digging through all these details, what you can do is like directly go into our agents. And you can just say something like, summarize the errors here in details. And basically, it's able to help you to automatically go through all your traces, logins, metrics, and give you a detailed AI root cause analysis. So now it's in the thinking mode, give an estimation of how many quota exactly it needs to do this AI root cause summary. Give it a moment. Okay, so now it gives you the analysis as to like why exactly this is breaking, along with the references to the source material. For example, here, when you click into it, you can see the exact warning and error messages that leads to why like AI is saying that here is breaking. On top of just an AI summary, we also provide functionalities to automatically generate PRs to fix your bug. All engineers need to do is just click here and test it, making sure it's good, merge this in production. That's it. Fix your production bug. So if you are interested in something like this, or if you're running into production issues on a daily basis, give this a try, register an account, and also feel free to reach out to me if you run into any problems. We're open source as well, so maybe give us a start if you're into this. Yeah, thanks.
Perfect.